This YouTube channel uploaded just 39 videos and has already crossed more than 200,000 subscribers, and almost every video is getting millions of views. But the most surprising thing is that all the videos on this channel are underwater animal POV videos, and channels like this are 100% monetized on YouTube. So in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can use AI to create these viral POV videos completely free. This video is going to be a complete POV videos masterclass, so without wasting your time, let's get started. First of all, in the description, you will find a Google Docs file. In that file, you will get two prompts: YouTube Animal POV Idea Generator, and second, Cinematic POV Visual Generator. So copy the first prompt. Now come to ChatGPT and paste the prompt. Right now, we have added 10 video ideas. You can increase it as much as you want. Now send it. Now ChatGPT will generate 10 viral underwater animal POV video ideas for you. So in this way, you can generate unlimited topics. Now go back to the docs file and copy the second prompt: Cinematic POV Visual Generator. Now come to ChatGPT and paste it. Now copy the video idea that you like and paste it inside the prompt near the title section. Now run it. In a short time, ChatGPT will generate the prompts for you. As you can see, first in the title, you will get the animal, location, and other details. Then below that, you will get the image scene prompt, and just below that, the video motion prompt. In the same way, you will get all the image and motion prompts for the video. Now we will generate the images. For that, copy the first scene prompt. Now come to Whisk AI and paste it. This tool is 100% free, and you can generate unlimited high-quality images with it. Now select the image aspect ratio, then click on Generate. In just a few seconds, your image will be generated. As you can see, our first underwater animal POV image is ready. In the same way, generate all the images. Copy the prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Whisk AI, and generate it. I will fast forward a little and generate all the images, then I will show you. So as you can see, all the images have been generated. Whisk AI generates 2 images at a time. So from each set, download the image that looks the best. Download them one by one, so it becomes easier when converting them into video. Now we will convert our images into videos. For that, we will use Flow AI. If you want, you can also use Grok AI, but its quality is not very good. That is why we will use Flow AI. First, open Flow AI. Now click on this plus icon and upload your first image. Then go to Settings and select Video. Select the aspect ratio as Portrait, and you can keep the rest of the settings according to my setup. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the first motion prompt. Then come to Flow AI, paste it, and generate it. In a few seconds, your video will be ready, as you can see.
Tighten in the last strap, looking good? Okay, ready to release on 3. 1, 2, 3. Go, buddy.
The video has generated very well. Now upload the second image. Copy the second motion prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Flow, and generate it. In the same way, convert all the images into videos. Let me fast forward and generate them. Now all our videos are ready. Now download all the videos one by one. Now inside any software, add all your video clips one by one in sequence. Do a little color grading, add some transitions, and make sure to add captions. This will make the video much more engaging, and it also helps with monetization. So now our final video is ready. So that's it for today's video. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.